We got some Pokemon TCG Shaymin V-Star Premium Collection right here, baby. Alright, what we'll do is we'll lift it off the table so I'm not absolutely f***ing up the camera. Oh, there she goes. We snapped her spine. Let's get right on in there. Oh, yeah. Almighty. What the f*** are we... Hold on, okay. It's like busting into the Alcatraz or some sort of prison. They're trying to break into prison. Alright, baby, let's go! Beautiful Shaymin V-Star. Ooh-wee. Got her out of her wrappings there. Alright, we're in there. I immediately have to put my cards in sleeves. Look at little Shaymin V, baby! And then, let's go ahead and see what we're dealing with. Look at the little Shaymin V-Star etched. Oh, let's just set these two aside for a second and just look at this. Yeah, huge. Absolutely enormous. Lord have mercy. Now that is an etched card. Look at this fucking monster card, dude. Pokemon Sword and Shield Fusion Strike. Here we go. Let's crack right on in. Get that out of the way. 4 to the front. Come on, baby. Energy. Quick Ball. Persian. Let's go, Persian. Ooh, got ourselves a nice little cook. Mantine. Let's go, Mantine. Grubbin. Nice little Grubbin. Rotom. Schmergle Fusion Strike. Okay. Carvana. Let's go, baby. Ooh, baby. Reverse foil Piu Kumuku. And the rare is... Ooh, Fusion Strike Huntail for the rare. Pokemon Sword and Shield Fusion Strike. Let's do it. Get out of there. Alright. Make a little magic. 4 to the front. Alright, baby. Let's go, let's go. And energy. Chili and Silan. Capparaha. Zoroark. Okay, baby. Got ourselves an Onyx. Come on. A Choodle. Come on, baby. Shroomish. Nice little Shroomish. Klefki. Trubbish. Okay. Ooh, Pangoro reverse foil. And the rare is... Ooh, Oricorio Fusion Strike. Okay. Pokemon Sword and Shield Astral Radiance. Let's go. Let's go. Okay. Get that out of here. 4 to the front. Come on. Here we go. Here we go. Alright, we got an energy. Corellia. Wait and see Turbo. Sheldon. Nice little Sheldon. Poochyena in the snow. Very nice little Poochyena. Yanma. Okay, Yanma. Drifloon. Alright, Sudowoodo. Let's go. Combi. Look at that little Combi. Another Poochyena. Is that a reverse foil? Okay, and the rare is... Ooh, Miss Magius. Okay, indeed. Pokemon Sword and Shield Astral Radiance. Let's go. Rip that right out of the way. Move that out of the way. 4 to the front. Okay, baby. Let's go. Let's go, let's go, let's go. Energy card. We got a nice little energy. Gape Jawbog. Okay, Gape Jawbog. Togetic. Spicy Seasoned Curry. Oshawott. Okay, Hoot Hoot. Ponyard. Okay. Another Poochyena. Nice. We got a Yanma. Ooh, reverse foil Ponyta. And the rare is... Ooh, Regidraco. Not bad at all, baby. Yeah, Pokemon Sword and Shield, Astral Radiance. Let's crack into this beautiful pack here and see just what we get. See just what we get. Alright, move that out of our way. 4 to the front as we do here. Let me hear it in the chat. 4 to the front. Alright, let's go, baby. Energy. Hippowdon. A dark patch. Very nice. Magneton. Okay. Bronzor. Nice little Bronzor. Rufflet. Look at our little Rufflet. Ooh, Quillfish. Hisuian Quillfish. A Rowlet. Another Hisuian Quillfish. Reverse foil Bergmite here. And the rare is... Come on, baby. Ooh, Mightyena. Okay. Pokemon Sword and Shield Astral Radiance. Another pack. Let's do it. Let's do it. Infinite hype for the pack. If we can even crack. Get out of my way. 4 to the front. Alright, let's go. Energy. Hippowdon. Okay. Energy Lotto. Quilava. Beautiful little Quilava. Ralts. Okay, Ralts in front of Mount Fiji. Misdrevious. Okay. Ooh, Hisuian Sneasel. Nice. Come on, baby. Barbooch. Ooh, Ponyard. Alright. Reverse foil Hisuian Lilligant there. And the rare is, come on, baby. Leafeon. Okay, what a cute little Leafeon. Pokemon Sword and Shield Lost Origin. Let's go, baby. Let's go. Alright, we'll rip right on in. Go ahead and move that to the side. 4 to the front. Come on, here we go. So we got an energy. Hariyama, alright. Arc Phone, okay. Medicham. Ducklet, okay. Blipbug. Finneon, alright. Hisuian Zorua. Paris. Ooh, reverse foil Nuzleaf, and the rare is... Ooh, okay, Delphox V for the rare. Then, baby, that is actually really clean. Pokemon Sword and Shield Lost Origin. Let's go. Alright. Alright, get that out of our way. 4 to the front. Come on, baby. Here we go. Energy, alright. Got ourselves a Haunter. Poliwhirl, alright. Luminion, okay. Inkay, there he is. Ooh, Hisuian Basculin. Alright. Got ourselves a Phantom. Come on. Makuhita. Ooh, Electrike. Alright, alright. Ooh, okay. Radiant Hisuian Sneasler. Oh man, that is clean. And the rare is... Ooh, Kirum V. Okay, what an absolute great pack. Holy. Yeah. But I do appreciate everyone for stopping by. You already know what's going on. It's your boy Busy. Stream daily. Twitch.tv/ToofknBusy. Post all my highlighted content to YouTube. Yeah, /official ToofknBusy. Give me a sub, give me a follow. I release music on all streaming platforms. You already know. Check out my new single, Clean. Shout out all my homies. You already know. I'll see you guys in the Discord. It's been hella dope.